Hello everyone, now we will be learning how to make these flowers. Start off by taking some pines and then break them into half. Paint the center in any color that you want, such as yellow and orange, and as for the outside, paint them in any color that you would paint a flower. Taking your canvas, paint it in brown or orange and black as such. Make multiple shades and then stick all of your pines onto it and then add the stems. Cut out multiple strips of paper at the bottom, stick it. Make it look like a fence. Taking a vase or a bottle, start off by painting it. Make your shade and then add some texture to it by making some salt, adding salt or sugar to it. It could be ground sugar. Now take some pines, break it into half, paint the center in yellow and the outside in white or any other color, vice versa as well. Decorate it and arrange it as such. You may add a lamp next to it. For our next craft, we will be learning how to make this flamingo. For this, we will need pines and then some pink paint. Take some pink and some white paint to get the perfect shade. Paint your pine in this pink color. Next, take some tissue paper, add tape to one end of it and then add a wire to the other. Using the tissue paper, roll it up along the wire and then add tape to one of the sides. Wrap it up as such in multiple layers. Make it neat as possible. Now this will be the neck of the flamingo. Bend it into shape. Wrap it in green paper. After you are done with this, paint it in the pink shade that you have created. Don't forget to paint on the beak and then you may draw on the eyes as well. Once you are done with this, you may use a hot glue gun and attach the head to the rest of the body. Should you like to, you may also add the legs. Next, we will be learning how to make a vase out of a bottle and some wooden sticks. Start off by cutting a bottle into half. Taking the base of it, surround it with many sticks as such. Now take a pine and then cut it up into smaller pieces. Paint it in yellow or any other color that you like and then paint the center in white. Taking the stick, add some glue to it and then wrap it around the vase that you have initially created. Add a stem to your pine flowers and then stick them inside your vase. You may also add a large leaf to add more color and aesthetic to it. Next, take a glass bottle and then scrape it out slightly. Paint it in any color that you like and then to add texture, add some salt to it. Taking the edges of a earbud, arrange it in a central shape or a circular shape in order to make it look like flowers. Stick it together using a hot glue gun. Make multiple yellow dots on it to add more aesthetic appeal to it. For our next craft, start off by cutting up multiple sticks of almost the same size. Next, take a pine and then stick these sticks onto it. This will be the legs of it. At the top, add another stick and then add a small piece of pine to it. Add 2 branches to the top and it should look like the antlers. Now you may decorate it as you please. Start off by taking a box and then paint it any color you like. We have chosen the colors green, yellow and black. On the other side, we have painted it in blue, white and black. As for the other side, we have painted it in orange and yellow. And for our last side, we have changed a different shade of blue. You may make a branch on one of the sides. Now taking the stencil, paint any sort of thing that you want to. For our first section, we have painted a little bench with 2 children on it. For our blue section, we have chosen to make a deer. In order to use the stencil, you may use a sponge to spot on the paint. This will make it ideal. Add little white dots to your branch to make it look all the more better and then paint on the moon. Make the branches for each of the paintings that you are creating. Line it with white and it will look all the more better. We have drawn a deer with antlers for the last drawing. You may use this as a decoration piece in your house. Thank you for watching.